What's up everyone, Dan the Man here. So today I'm gonna actually get this all welded up so I can finally get the transmission mounted to it in the Jeep. Make sure my pinion angle is gonna be good. Yeah, then we can get everything started with the motor. So let's get to it. Well, it's not the absolute prettiest, but let's get it cleaned up and see what well, hold on. It's not the absolute prettiest, but let's get it cleaned up and actually see what it looks like. For sure not the absolute prettiest, but it's gonna do a lot better than a rat hole in there. So let me get to the rest of these and then I'll show you the finished product. So I'm on the last piece. I'm just about there, and all of a sudden I think the switch is dead. It got really kind of warm, so time to fix that. So I can finish this stupid thing already. Alright, so it's the next day. The welder's actually not broken. It must have just gotten overheated. I think I overheated the trigger a little bit. It's cheap from Amazon. What do you expect? Other than that, I got this all worked out. So that way it's all welded up. They are in place, and I'm gonna kind of test fit it in place right now and just make sure nothing got all flexed out.